Let's talk about 3,000, not 300,000, not millions, just 3,000. Because most financial stability does not begin with abundance. It begins with intention. In the Philippines, 3,000 can disappear quickly. A weekend out, a few Shopee checkouts, a birthday treat, a quiet, "I deserve this," and there is nothing wrong with enjoying your money. But this time, let's ask a different question. Instead of asking, "What can I buy?" ask, "What can I build?" Small money feels insignificant, but small money decisions are powerful because they are frequent. And what we do frequently becomes who we are financially. Before we talk about investing or multiplying or growing, we need to ask, what is your money identity? Need right now? If you are a stabilizer, 3,000 is not for chasing returns. It is for breathing room. It becomes your first emergency buffer. Even a small buffer changes how you sleep at night. Financial anxiety does not disappear because of motivation. It disappears because of preparation. 3,000 may not solve everything, but it solves something. And solving something reduces stress. Now, if you are a rebuilder, 3,000 becomes momentum, not perfection, not clearing all your debt, just one step, one payment, one balance reduced. Closing even one small account changes how you see yourself. From behind to moving, momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds discipline. Discipline builds results. Now, if you are a builder, 3,000 is capital, not consumption. It can fund a short certification, a practical skill, basic tools, software, or equipment. You cannot budget your way out of under-earning. Sometimes growth requires reinvestment. In yourself, 3,000 spent on skills can return more than 3,000 spent on lifestyle upgrades. Not instantly, but strategically. And if you are a protector, 3,000 strengthens long-term stability. Digital banks, MP2, conservative funds, not to get rich quickly, but to build habit. Small, consistent investing creates identity, and identity creates outcome. The goal is not to multiply 3,000 overnight. The goal is to assign it purpose. Money without purpose disappears. Money with purpose compounds. So ask yourself, does this 3,000 reduce stress, create momentum, increase earning power, or strengthen protection? There is no single correct answer. Only alignment. And alignment is what separates calm financial growth from chaotic spending. In 2026, wealth will not come from dramatic moves. It will come from repeated small decisions made intentionally. 3,000 invested in peace has higher returns than 3,000 invested in ego. So decide now, before the money arrives. Comment below, my 3,000 will go to. Share your thoughts. Choose with intention, not impulse, because small money, handled wisely, is how stability begins. Learn more about intentional investment. Subscribe to the Freedom Years Project.